Oh, baby. Oh, gotta move quick. Gotta move quick. Oh, can't forget this one. Where are they going? Kittens. Hello. I'm coming to see you. Brace yourselves, kittens. Oh, kittens. Such good kittens. You're looking very healthy. Look at those wondrous creatures. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hello. How are you? Are you sitting up like a big girl? Like a big girl? Oh, so cute. Let's see. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, they're so adorable. Their eyes are looking good. Feel that little crest. But nothing too bad. No. It's just extra adorable. Oh, extra adorable. Oh, here's his. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a video of this ferocious one. Oh, she's trying to have a snack. Hi. She's not being very ferocious today. No, she's not. Okay, I'm going to do a periscope. Let's see. Oh, connection too poor? Really? That's ridiculous. Maybe I have to do it over Wi-Fi. Oh, oh, you're gonna cut. Oh, did you see this one too? Oh, we so well behaved yesterday. I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, here we go. Look everyone, I have a tripod this time. Well, sort of. Sort of. It's toilet paper and a selfie stick. It's gonna work though. Oops. Ooh. Oh, kittens. Kittens. So, hello. Oh my gosh, your eyes look so good. So good. So these are ferocious rescue kittens. Their mom is feral, and so they need socialization time outside of the nest. This is Bartholomew and Maisie. This is a girl, Ginger. She's very special. And this one is the very ferocious one. She's very ferocious. She's not being very ferocious today though. Maybe she's figured it out. Maybe she gets it. Maybe she gets it now. Bartholomew wants to be released from the litter box. So here we go. Oh, you're free. Maisie. Trudy. There we go. So you can learn more about these kittens and about what we're doing at tinykittens.com. Oh, are you growling now? Oh, goodness. So, let's see. For those watching on Periscope, you can also see these guys live 24/7 in HD at tinykittens.com/live. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Look how she's. I don't think she has spit at me yet. Did you have a big day today? Are you exhausted? Oh, look at this little Maisie. She's so cute. Come here. Come here. Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see. There. You had a little bit of eye crust. Just a little bit of eye crust. All your little friends are escaping while I clean your face. Look, the toilet paper tripod is so convenient because if you need some toilet paper to wipe someone's eyes, you can just do it. There, perfect. Perfect. Should we do your ointment? Just a little bit. Just a little. Maisie says, you will do no ointment. You don't care if it's just a little. I don't want it. And next is maybe, okay, let's see. Let's do, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's your eye. Oh, here. Perfect. Good job. Good job, girls. Now, where did my lid go? There it is. Now, alright, let's see if I can make this work a little bit better. Maybe that's better. Now, I just need to prevent it from rolling around. How do I do that? Blanket. Oh, put it on the blanket. Okay. Oh, there we go. Sort of. Sorry, I'm going to figure this out one of these times. Or have a proper tripod. A proper tripod. There we go. We rescued, these are rescue kittens. We are fostering pregnant feral cats and documenting how we're doing it because there's not a lot of information. Well, there was no information when I was looking a year ago about how to foster pregnant feral cats. And so it's all, you can go to tinykittens.com/ferals to see some of the stuff we're doing. But these guys were born to feral mama cat, who's a very good mama, very protective, and she's teaching them to be very ferocious, just like she is, just like her. Except this guy's not too, he didn't get the memo about being ferocious. This is what mommy looks like. So mom and babies will all be spayed and neutered, and then we will adopt at least the babies out. Oh my gosh, what is it? What is it? So we're in socialization, the socialization stage. For obvious reasons. obvious reasons. Should we see how much you weigh? Oh, look at you. Oh, Maisie. Maisie. By the time they're ready for adoption, they will be just as cuddly as any other kitten. But Mummy's teaching them to protect themselves from the human predator. Except this guy. He's pretty chill. Oops. This guy. He's pretty cute. Oh, so cute. So, let's see. I'm gonna weigh them. They're quite pudgy. Oh, look, what's this? What's this? I know you want to get this. Right? Maybe if I do this, then I can see chat and I can hold the thing. Oh, that's cute. That's pretty cute. Look at this Maisie. They will be 4 weeks old on the 6th. So they're just about 4 weeks old, but not quite. And then we have 3 more feral mama cats who are going to have kittens any day now. So we're going to be drowning in kittens over here, so we will need many exceptional homes in about 2 or 3 months. Alright, where's my spreadsheet? Alright, April 4th. So, Bartholomew is volunteering to go first. 563. Oh, let's see. The flooring is a little uneven there. So many technical difficulties over here, huh? That one was CPU spiking on the computer. Ooh! Oh, McFuzz. So much woe. Did we show everyone your belly? Look, now she's getting warmed up. Does McFuzz have it? Oh, McFuzz has it too. It's just a little bit harder to see. Oh, so cute. Look how their back, the girls were having trouble with their back legs. Oh, look how cute. Oh, the gingers are so cute right now. You're missing out. You're missing out on the fun. The girls, yesterday even, were walking with their back legs straight out behind them, so they're getting stronger, bigger and stronger every day. This is much better walking than yesterday. Barty has been walking for weeks, basically. He's been walking for weeks. Do you want to play with some toys? Some toys? Oh, so cute. So, it's a ferocious Maisie McGrew. No, we have to show everyone your belly too. Your belly is the least pudgy, but it's still pretty adorable. Oh, look. Look at that special belly. Grunting. Maisie's walking much, much better today. Good job, Maisie McGrew. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, and since there was a reset and anyone won't be able to go back and see this, this is Barty. Barty's got a special pudgy belly right here. It's very pudgy. He says, "You already embarrassed me once. There's no need to do it again. No need. There's no need for this." Oh, but there is. There is need for it. There is, see? You're almost 4 weeks old, so you're supposed to be doing lots of upside down time like this. Oh, lots of it. You see? You're doing pretty well, though. You're doing pretty well. Oh, look at the tail. So cute. So here's the back view of the belly pudge. Here, you have to go straight. There we go. There it is right there. It's like Elfie's. It's like, it's a lot like Elfie's. These from the side. There it is. And no, that is not, there's nothing wrong with him. His mommy is just feeding him extremely well. Oh, look at you. You went over there to have a little nap, but I'm going to steal you, and you can have a nap in my lap. Doesn't that sound better? Here. I know. We'll put this in my lap. We'll get the Maisie McGrew out from underneath, and we'll make it really comfy. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Oh, you guys are like Velcro on this one. Oh, so cute. So cute. He'll grow out of it. Or he'll grow into it, I guess. They all have it. His is just more visible because he's standing up, because he's so tall. He's gigantic. I haven't been able to take pictures of that. Well, I guess I took a few yesterday, but they weren't very good. So, Trudy, you're being such a good girl. You're like a kitten. She's in my lap. It's so adorable. Oh, look at that little face. He's playing. He's gonna play with his ball. You guys had a big, exciting day, huh? So Neelix. Ooh, Neelix is thinking about. She's thinking about going. No. Back to the spot. So I don't think Neelix has checked out the new nest yet. But I'm hoping she will at some point. Tonight she does seem interested in it. She has circled it a few times. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Adorable. Oh, Barty just wiped his face on my foot. That was adorable. Oh. That's pretty cute. Oh, look how cute you are. What, Mason McGraw? Oh, did you just tip over for no reason? Oh, do you see your little friends are over there playing? They're playing. I didn't have a chance to find out if we had a non-ringworm sky bridge somewhere today. It was a bit hectic today, as always, but getting the nests ready before anyone had kittens was critical. Oh, you're sleepy. You're just ready for a little nap. You know what I should do is make you a little cozy little bed. Oh, well. What? What, Maisie? Uh-oh. Are you licking the floor? That's silly. That's very silly. Maisie! Go get it. Oh, did you wake up and you wanted to talk to your sister? Should we put this over there? Whoops, well. What is it? Oh, it's so comfy. Look how big you are. When did that happen? When did you become little cats? Little cats. Oh, are you gonna try? You're gonna try to come down the mountain? Your sister's so sleepy. She's so sleepy and mellow. She's sleepy today. Sleepy. They've been up to no good all day long, they were biting each other. I got blamed because they were biting each other. I got in trouble for it because they were biting each other in the nest and making themselves squeak, and I happened to be in the room, and Mommy Sable did not appreciate the squeaking, but I wasn't doing it. I got framed. I was framed by these adorable little feral kittens. We're going. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Maisie's got places to be. They're so cute. Oh, he's so sleepy. He's so sleepy. Oh, she's so sleepy. Oh, do I need to trim your nails again? There we go. She's so sleepy. Trudy's brown. She's not black, she's brown. It's very special. Brown and orange. Where you going? Hi. Hi. No white undercoat. No white. She is all the way black. Brown. Brown. Oh, did that make a noise? You did not appreciate the noise? How about that? What are you doing back there? What about this? Oh, belly. Oh, Trudy McFuzz. Hi, Maisie McGrew. Oh, he's sleeping on my arm. That is very cute. Oh, she's so exhausted. Of course, my internet has stopped working completely. Where are you going? You're moving. Oh, did you wake up? Did you wake up? Look how sleepy she is. She's so sleepy. So sleepy, but then she doesn't want to go to sleep. You're so cute. Look how sleepy she is. Oh, so adorable. Oh, you're so cute. I didn't mean to wake you up, but you're so cute. You're too cute to be sleeping. Oh, but you're so sleepy. You're so sleepy. So exhausted. It's had a big day. Such a big day. What are you two doing? Meanwhile, down below, the gingers. What? What? You want to come snuggle? You want to come snuggle with your sister? Look, there's your sister right there. You're standing on your sister. Did everybody leave you? Oh, so cute. So cute. What's this? What's all this? What's all this? Look at his little tiny tail stripes. Adorable. Look at those little mackerel stripes. What? Oh, he tipped over onto the ball. That got everybody's attention. So cute. Are you gonna come up and see what the fuss is all about? Grill. Hey, look up here. You are so cute. Where are your little friends going? Oh, she's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Your little friend. Where are you? Your brother is trying to escape. Trying to escape. Oh, there he goes. Are you so cute? Oh my goodness, he's so cute. So cute. Where's your brother's so busy? He's so busy. It looks like he has to pee. No, he doesn't. Will you go over there and hang out with him and I can take your pictures? Oh, she says no. Barty. Oh, it's so handsome. Wait, there's your brother. There's your brother. She says, hey, hey. And now, one of these. McFuzz is having none of it. Adorable. Oh. Kittens. Oh, Maisie McGrew. Oh, that's very good. Oh, she's gonna come get me. Oh, you're too cute. Too cute. gonna try to take a picture of everybody, but nobody, ooh, nobody will stay where I put them. Oh, that's cute. Oh, McFuzz. McFuzz. Oh. McFuzz won't look at me. Oh. Your tail was in that picture. Hi, McFuzz. What's this? What's this? Come on, McFuzz. What's this? What's this? What is this? Look, what's this? Oh. Oh, two adorable gingers. Why do you look so much bigger? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, baby. Let's see. Oh, she's ferocious and she doesn't know how to work her angles yet. And they probably need their toenails trimmed tomorrow. Adorable. Why are you licking the floor? Why are you licking the floor, huh? Oh, are you pudgy? Barney. Oh, look at the little grunty Maisie. Look, look, look. Where are you going? Where are you going? Adorable. I know. McFuzz, McFuzz. You guys want to get in there? It's so comfy. You can go to sleep in it. You can snuggle. Ooh. He says, I am terrestrial. Maisie. Maisie. Oh, oh, so cute. Okay. I think it's time for milks and napping. Oh. Maybe tomorrow we'll have longer playtime earlier in the day, because today was quite busy. And you can't plan when you're gonna get access to the kittens. It just happens randomly sometimes. So you just have to be ready when opportunity arises. All right. Okay, time to go. Say goodnight to everybody. Hopefully Sable is still on the windowsill. I wish it wasn't so yellow. I don't know why it looks so yellow in their nest. It's not actually that yellow. But everything looks yellow. And it's... nobody likes that. Nobody likes it. Oh, there we go. Thank you for finally looking at the camera. Okay, I'm going to switch back over. Maybe you like this. Okay, bye. Bye, kittens. Have fun. Here's your green puff.